apparently. And it's pretty quick too. Do you run? It does look like we're running out of fish slowly. Top left is the gotcha follower skin machine. Is that the one I got? How we got the fish? Let's see. Only one fish left. Oh, you guys are going to be fed so well after this. Oh, wait. Eh? Do I need to choose a different spot to give item? Max? Oh, there we go. Okay. Come to Papa. It's so fast. The fishing is so fast. He wants one of each though, right? Oh, he's giving us stuff for it. What does that do? What is this? It's unlocking another part of this game. Tigray is no longer ill. Tigray is no longer ill. Queen's here. Hey, Queen. So he's just giving me 4 pieces and then you unlock something afterwards? Wait, what's this gotcha follower skin machine? Is it over here? Looks like Yoda. We've not seen our leader. Pray until the lighthouse is lit once more? It's right next to the entrance. Oh. So this is... Fix the lighthouse. So that's like a little side quest. You talking about this guy? Sold out. Oh. So these are what this is what I have so far, I guess. These are the ones I have so far. How do you actually buy? It just says sold out on it when I hover over it. So I can't do anything yet, right? Hey, Alpha! I can see Hydra starting the actual cult. we're called the Lil Hydra homies, Alpha. How's it going? How's your week? You excited for another week of work? There are shops in different places selling follower forms, but they can sold out. Ah, gotcha, Queen. Thank you. Thanks for the insight. Have you already beaten this game, Queen? Lil Hydra homies. How's everyone doing? Can we go battle soon? Dude, there's so much of this. Oh, that's the glasses. Oh yeah, it's your short week. Nice. That's exciting. Scarecrow to prevent birds from stealing. Let's do that. We're getting so much stuff anyways.